Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Let's get us to 20,000k. Guys, remember to like the video and also leave a comment. We are back posting, so stay tuned guys. We're headed to the river now. So come on, follow me. Hey guys, so the sun is out. So I'm gonna put some my things them on the grass so they can dry. You see the sky? It's beautiful. Oh, me never show you my little garden, guys. Yeah. Me half of the things them in here, I don't know, but I know say this a pepper. This a pepper. I think this a pumpkin. So yeah, guys, pumpkin. So yeah, guys, me have my bucket and we're on our way to the river. So stay tuned. You guys, you can stay from up here, so hear the river a flow. You can get to enjoy the river, guys. So if we're not in the water and come in our pipe, we just go to the river or we got a spring, which most people not really drink the pipe water anyhow. So you know really trouble with when the pipe water in the boat. So what I say? Oh yeah, guys, I'm also gonna wash my ear as well because through me use the the jam up my ear, kind of that's so much. You kind of always wash it more often because of the jam. The jam I put the and stuff, guys. So stay tuned, guys. When we reach the river, I'm gonna start with the bus. Few minutes after time, guys. Yeah, nice them, me hear them. Oh, my heart. The water there, but you can out of it. My foot one wash off. I'm a walk away again. Yeah, mo. Yeah, mo. You know, walk from guys. What? Hey guys, we reached the river now. As you guys, are you supposed to can't hear it still? So yeah. And the river wash out. We wash out. Cause of the rain yesterday, like we get a lot of rain yesterday. So the river wash out. It is beautiful. Guys, I'm my little spot here, so right here at my spot, guys. can't reach. I mean, I want. I think me can't reach no further, you know. Guys, me can't reach no further. My foot right now, my foot feel weak. Guys, right now, my foot feel weak. Me can't go no further than which family. Me there right now. Me don't know. My body not so strong. It only looks strong, but it's not. So strong at all. Me foot them feel weak. Guys, me gonna put on in mic. Me know which part me gonna put in. yeah, guys, the shampoo wash. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna condition it here again. Alright guys, so we finish. We're done at the river and I'm going back home. So remember guys to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day guys and stay tuned for another video. Guys, I don't know what believe. Oh, my back. You know, I feel like my back have too much weight to carry. Like too much, I have to go exercise. Like the lower part of my back. Right now, I walk, me feel tired. So yeah guys, this is the end of today's video. May I go up to my shipping company. When me use can me order something. I'm from both Saturday then say it a clear customs and all. No me no see them say reach. And that's something for my video. For my YouTube, so I go check them and see what's up, what's popping. Why haven't I seen my something pop up yet? So I want to ramp with me on it, you know. Oh, I me notice here something where it's very expensive, yeah. The mother say very to the type of thing. That's why I made I say expensive because you can't eat it or anything. And like you can fix up your house with it. It's just feel like if you do one like a picnic and one table. So you have to pay one good little price here in Jamaica or you rent it from somebody who have. I'm gonna buy my own. I mean I understand why it not going through customs all now and it's almost the week almost done. So yeah guys, me go check that out today. I go dry my ear, charge my phone, cause my phone dead. And also I go dry my ear. Yeah, comb my ear. Find something to wear, charge my phone, cause my phone dead. And I go check I go to the bank as well. Bank people they must tell me every day I go a bank. So that is what I'm going to do after this video. So You guys, remember to subscribe. Let's get us to 20,000. Wanna see me I walk slow? I'm tired. That's the real G. I walk slow, you know? But I'm tired as rat. Anyway, guys, I'm watching. I'm keeping them away for me as me step out of the yard, so everybody out a gate wait. Anyway, guys, see you guys on the next video. Love you.